In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down a tiny bit to hit Apps. Hit Default App here and tap on any of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser App. So now when I click, tap on Firefox and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. If you want to, you can also scroll all the way down and manage opening links by clicking on this option at the bottom. Then use this switcher next to Instant Apps to disable or enable this option. Click on Instant App Preferences if you want to manage them. And even tap on any of your apps to click on this switcher next to Open Supported Links. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!